Hello, my name is Harshan and I'm a physics undergraduate student at the University of Manitoba. So, this summer is turning out to be a rather dull one, and now I've decided to learn Python to just add a bit of fun to the summer. Um, this course, for now, will very plainly focus only on the basics. For now, because in the future I plan uh, to learn Python for science. So this course is only basics with a little biasness towards science. No prior experience in programming or any scientific knowledge is required in any particular field. So as you know, Python is a very powerful language with many advanced features and additional packages. So while the basic syntax of the language is very straightforward, however, it would be impossible to teach the whole course in depth. So thank you and good luck. I hope you learn and grow. Thank you very much.